This is 4411 Gamma, a little bit of a difference obviously in the last one. This one's one of the biggest rehabs we have done for a single family home. We put about 105,000 in it, 110,000 in it, I believe. Tenants already found, Section 8 tenant, we're waiting a rent determination. This was a duplex at one point. But they at some point changed the zoning back to a single, but there were still aspects of it that were similar to a duplex. So without getting too much in the weeds, we kept it back as a single. We moved some things around. We added bathrooms and just kept it as a single family. But as you guys can see, nice neighborhood, good value. Garage brand new, electrical rewired, plumbing, siding, roof, windows, kitchen, baths. I mean, there isn't a single thing in this house that we didn't touch. I think maybe the last thing in there is a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of buttoning up, but overall, I mean, this is probably one of the better turnkey houses we've done. 1,500 rent is the goal. I believe we might actually surpass that, but we're still waiting on that. Taxes are relatively low. This is a solid neighborhood. We were actually battling the city for this house. They were under contract with it. And then something happened where escrow fell through. The city wanted to buy it. Escrow fell through and then we swooped in and closed on it. They've bought and renovated homes. My understanding is they offer, I don't know, some sort of grant programs to first-time home buyers and stuff. Oh. So I think that's what the plan would have been. They didn't want an investor probably coming through either and just kind of putting lipstick on it. But we've had countless compliments from the neighbors. I mean, we took a house that was vacant and neglected for about a decade, and I think it's one of the nice houses in the street now.
Yeah, it is.
Right? So I'll be available. You guys, let's go take a look.